Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Viewers, welcome to Madani Islamic Academy. Today we will continue our lesson number 2, Huroof Murakkabat or compound letters. In previous parts we have learned many compound letters or Huroof Murakkabat from lesson number 2. In this video we will continue and we will do more practice about compound letters. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's come to the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in previous parts we have learned that compound letters consist two or more mufridat letters. In previous parts we have done many compound letters, and in this video we will do more practice and we will learn more compound letters from lesson number 2. Our first compound letter is ba, lam, ba. This compound letter consists three different mufridat letters. First is ba, second is lam, and third is ba. So we pronounce each mufrid letter and it will make compound letter. Let's start the practice. Ba, lam, ba, ba, ha, mim, ba, ain, dal, ain, ba, dal, ha, mim, dal, ha, lam, kaf, ya, ha, ba, kha, qa, fa, tha, mim, nun, ha, sin, nun, fa, hamza, ta, sin, kha, qa, kha, lam, qaf, fa, lam, qaf, ain, lam, qaf, nun, sad, ra, qaf, ta, lam, ya, lam, jim, ta, jim, dal, ta, ba, ain, ba, lam, ain, nun, fa, sin, jim, nun, ta, sin, hamza, lam, qaf, sin, ta, sad, fa, ta, shin, mim, sin, kha, shin, ya, ghain, ya, ra, ghain, ba, ra, mim, qa, ra, ain, عین سین را را لام لام شین کاف را با سین میم. That is the end of our lesson number 2, Murakkabat letters or Huroof Murakkabat. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.